let's illustrate how IBM product managers communicate with partners and clients outside of the organization. I log into Greenhouse with my user ID and password. And once I go in, there are different product areas where I can go, but the one I want to illustrate today is IBM Connections, our social software for business tool. And I want to illustrate some examples of how we use this with our clients and with our customers and with our partners. Just briefly, I just want to show you my profile. Each person in this community has a profile, so you can learn more about them and see who they work with and who their connections are. And we can talk more about this in an upcoming discussion. But you can see on the right-hand side, those are the various members of the people in my network. But we can also search for people, and I want to use as an example Luis Benitez. So I just type in his name and I click on the search button. And here comes Luis, and what I wanted to illustrate is Luis is one of our product managers for our social initiatives. And so I can just hover over his name, click on it, and again, I can see now the people in his network. I can see what he's working on. So all of this information is contained and displayed based on, just permissions of me finding people within these various communities. But one of the things that I just wanted to illustrate here is, if you notice when I hover over his name, I can click to see his business card. And his business card shows some of the various ways that he collaborates inside of the Greenhouse community. And one of them is the different communities that Luis is a member of. So you can see that he is a member of 18 different communities. So he is either collecting information or sharing information. And I just wanted to illustrate two quick examples. One is the IBM Collaboration Solutions community. You can see on the right-hand side all of the bookmarks. You can see that there's 1,700 members of this community, and these are people both inside and outside of IBM who share their ideas, provide their comments, help others within this environment. And we also have kind of a special designation for what we call IBM champions. And these are people who are outside of the IBM community who help us, who evangelize for us. So we have a very strong ecosystem of people inside and outside of IBM who are helping us develop our products, evangelize our products, and improve our products. So this is very powerful. So I just wanted to illustrate that quickly. I want to go back to another community that Luis is a member of, and this is the Connections user community. So this is a community where we solicit information, where we share information with our customers to, for new ideas with our products, for improvements, for maybe new features. And again, this is run by the users and it's for the users. So it's very easy for people to establish a community. And one of the things I wanted to illustrate is this concept of ideation. So when we want to solicit information, we post a question. And if you notice on the left-hand side, these people can vote for these various ideas. And some of them have gone from just the idea stage to the graduated stage. I click on one, and this was a request for a community calendar. And this is a feature that people were looking for. So not only do you see the question that's posed, you can see all of the comments that people are sharing about their thoughts about this one component. And I just want to highlight Ronnie Maffa. If I click on her, if you notice, Ronnie is the VP of development at IBM. So even she, from a development perspective, is carefully monitoring the feedback that we get from our clients. So really, really important for not only our product managers, but also our product development team to really get the pulse from our clients of what they're looking for so that we can feed this directly back into the product development cycles. The other thing I just wanted to illustrate real quick is this idea of a forum. And typically a forum is where people are going to brainstorm, share ideas, bring up discussion topics. And again, very similar to what we saw before, you can post a question, and these can either be moderated or wide open. And again, what we are able to do now is drill down to look at the conversation to see what people are really saying about a particular topic. So again, it's just another technique that we use to capture information from our clients and use that to drive innovation within our product development and product management teams. So I look forward to furthering this discussion, and I'd like to show you some more examples of how we use this internally at IBM too. Hey, thanks.